Hi,
Hey.
Dietitian Talk again with Annie and Sidney. Our question today was about alternatives to flours in baking.
So your regular flour is going to be the highest in the carbohydrates. Then you have your coconut flour. They're going to kind of be in the mid-range. And then your almond flour is going to be the lowest in the carbohydrate range.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and each one kind of has its own texture and its own sweetness. Coconut flour, from what I've heard, has a little bit of a sweeter taste to it. So if that's what you're going for, then that could be a good option for you.
Mm-hmm. And then I know one of our nurse practitioners made keto bread, and she was mentioning that I think coconut flour is also a little more dry. So when using alternative flours, you might have to play around with the ratios to find what consistency works best for you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And if the consistency is really important to you and you want to stick with the regular flour, that's okay too. Just make sure it's whatever it is, it's just more of a treat versus an everyday thing.
And again, mindful of portion sizes.
Yeah. So that's what we have for you today. If you have any more questions on this topic, feel free to comment.